brain damage. Yeah, I don't think anyone will ever understand it. I want love, I love something so demanding.
Oh, fuck him. Fuck him.
Don't call me Ben, I'm talking smooth. I'm not a violent guy, but my will is a shooter. I'm not a pencil, baby, I might make you lose. Sometimes I'll start arguments just so I can amuse her. I'll beat that pussy up, but I'm not an abuser.
Everybody type in the chat, Alex is a